In this video, we'll show you how to create Windows Recovery Drive. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your Windows PC crashes, gets stuck in a boot loop or blue screens, and you need to repair it without installing everything, a recovery drive is your lifesaver. And here I'll show you how to create one. So first you need a USB flash drive. So just plug it in, and after you do that, you can go to the start menu and type in create a recovery drive. So this one, you can open it up and then hit yes. Now here you want to check backup system files to the recovery drive, so it'll include your Windows recovery environment. So check that and then click next. Now we'll show you all the available drive. So for me it's drive E. Make sure this is the correct one because after you create the recovery drive, everything will be wiped out. So it's the correct one for me. I can hit next. It'll warn you once again, everything on the drive will be deleted. So if you have any personal files on this drive, make sure you've backed up the files. If you're okay with that, hit create and the process will start. When it says the recovery drive is ready, click finish. Now every time your Windows won't boot, you can boot to the USB drive, and here you'll have options to recover from the recovery drive. Or you can also select troubleshoot, advanced option, and here you can do startup repair, system restore, command prompt, and all recovery tools without installing Windows.